Athanasian Creed, Episode 19. Aequalis patri secundum divinitatem, minor patre secundum humanitatem. Qui licet Deus sit et homo, non duo tamen sed unus est Christus. The Creed continues in its discussion of Christ. He is equal to the Father according to his divinity. Aequalis is masculine, singular, and nominative. It's a third declension adjective. Patri is masculine, singular, and dative. Dative because the adjective aequalis always patterns with the dative. He is equal to the Father according to or with respect to his divinity. Secundum is a preposition which takes always and only the accusative, thus divinitatem, feminine, singular, and accusative. So he is equal to the Father with respect to or according to his divinity. He is lesser, minor, than the Father, minor patre, according to his humanity. Minor, like aequalis, is masculine, singular, and nominative, but patre here, following minor, is masculine, singular, and ablative of comparison, unlike patri, which is dative. Lesser than the Father, according to his humanity. Humanitatem is feminine, singular, accusative, like divinitatem because of secundum. Who, meaning Christ, although he is both God and man, licet here is a verb from licere, used impersonally, but after much use it comes to be taken merely as an adverb that's concessive, meaning although. Who, granted that, or although he is both God and man, nevertheless, non duo, there are not two gods, or two Christs, but, said, there is one Christ, unus est Christus.